So we'll jump into the Nordics. Now, listen, this one's pretty cool. Ancient civilizations around the world have spoken of angelic beings that descended from the sky, sent by God to assist humanity by sharing their spiritual and emotional wisdom. Many believe these space emissaries to be of the Nordic race. The true planet of origin is unknown for the Nordic aliens, and that's for their own peace and security. They've reported before that they were from Venus, that they were from Pleiades. It's kind of hit and miss, and it's pretty secretive, actually. So Nordics are also called tall whites, also called space brothers, and many religions refer to these beings as angels, guys. Are they our typical angels or are they extraterrestrials? Who knows? I don't know, but I'll give you the information and you can decide for yourself. So Nordics can be 5 to 7 feet tall and they can easily pass as human. They're usually blonde or reddish hair with light eyes, blue or green eyes. And it is said that Nordic beings cannot smell. They are 4th and 5th density beings, but they're lacking in the sense of smell. Their spacecrafts are often spherical or cigar-shaped. Have you seen those like capsule-shaped ones? I think those are the Nordics. That's what I think. They also communicate telepathically and they communicate through dreams. Now, because of the Nordics' stance with the Galactic Federation, they keep their distance from the human race more often than not. So Nordics are not necessarily one that you would catch in the room with you or see out and about, especially because they can pass as humans. Nordics are more likely to bring in channeled messages. If you are somebody who channels vocally or even typing channeled messages, you may bring through some messages of peace and love that come from the Nordic aliens. Abduction is uncommon, but not unheard of, okay? So that's what I have to say on the Nordic beings.